Hey guys, this is Razvan Dragos, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus black silicone case. That's what the box it comes in with. Nothing on the sides really, just the logo. Let's get this thing open. Inside you got some instructions in the case itself. It's a soft material on the inside and smooth silicone on the outside. Here we have a Galaxy Note 10 Plus in white. Let's insert it. Just like so. Absolutely perfect fitment. Buttons are very clicky. You've got open access on the bottom and protected on top. Doesn't protect the screen that much, but it already comes with the screen protector installed, so there's that. Holes for microphones. Overall, it feels very good. You get a lot more grip with it. This was Razvan Dragos, and thank you for watching.